What's going on, people? Welcome back to Jamaica Alpha Space. Remember to subscribe, leave a comment, share, all of those wonderful things. Helps the algorithm, as I often say. Tongue twister. All right, so here's another example of how to say yaman the correct way. Do not try to make it sound proper or make it sound English, right? It is just a response. It is just saying yes to something. So, okay, you ordered something at a grill or something, and they're asking, whose food is this? Your response would be, yaman, afime. Yes, it is mine. That is what that translates to in English. You see how that flows? It's not yeah man, right? It's yaman, afime, right? That is how you say it, the correct way.